Drones are awesome. They're like flying cameras that capture high-quality video, take nice photos, and can even follow you around. But with such a lot of different drone models on the market, it can be tough to figure out which one is right for you. If you're interested in buying a drone, but don't know where to start, this video is for you. In this video, I will introduce you to the top 5 best drones. Before we start our video, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell icon. By the way, links to all of the products are given in the description box below. So, let's get started. Coming at number 5. DJI Air 2S. It is a portable drone quadcopter UAV with a camera that has the ability to capture images and video with the help of its sensors. The drone is equipped with a wide range of sensors that allow it to stay stable and remain safe during flight. It is capable of performing aerial photography and video recording. The drone can be controlled remotely, and the images captured by the camera can be stored in the built-in memory card. The DJI Air 2S is a highly advanced drone that can be flown in challenging situations. Number 4 in our list is abating T25. This drone is a high-performance, multifunction quadcopter drone that is suitable for beginners. It is easy to operate and equip with a camera, a transmitter, a battery, a control box, a controller, and a remote controller. The drone is designed with a unique headless mode that allows you to fly the drone with no restrictions. The drone is equipped with a 2.4 GHz radio control system, a wide-angle lens camera with a field of view of up to 120 degrees. The drone is capable of flying for more than 30 minutes. It is such an excellent gift for the members of your family. Coming at number 3. Roku F11 Pro. It is a quadcopter that is designed to be as easy as possible for the beginner pilot to use. Roku F11 Pro is equipped with a camera, which allows you to take high-quality pictures and videos. With the included app, you can connect to your phone. Roku F11 Pro is also equipped with an intelligent battery and a flight controller, which will guide you to safely take off and land your drone. With a beginner-friendly interface, Roku F11 Pro is a perfect drone for beginners. Number 2 in our list is DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo. This is the world's smallest, lightest, and most powerful consumer drone. It's packed with advanced technologies to give you the best aerial experiences. This drone is designed to make you a better photographer and filmmaker. It's equipped with a powerful camera and a 4K HD camera. The camera allows you to capture the world in amazing detail. Finally, the number 1. DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo. The DJI Mavic Mini 2 is a revolutionary drone that takes off and lands in the palm of your hands. It is equipped with a high-performance 3-axis gimbal that makes it easier to capture stunning aerial photos and 360-degree VR videos. It is a very stable platform that is suitable for professional and amateur photographers. It has a maximum flight time of 31 minutes, and its battery life is enough to fly over 10 kilometers. It features a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and an easy-to-use app that is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. So, these are the top 5 best drones for you. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, check out our other videos. Goodbye.